In this video, we're going to go over how to download ChatGPT's desktop version for the Mac. We're also going to cover how to use some of the features on it, as well as go through some of the new features we have, compare 3.5 to versus ChatGPT 4 and 4.0, as well as look at some third-party applications. So first, save and like this video, and if you're not part of the AI Marketing Insiders community, join the AI Marketing Insiders community. So the first thing you need to do is you're going to need to download the ChatGPT app. If you do not have a link to it, you can go to the AI Marketing Insiders community and you'll see the pin post depending on when you're going to watch this, or just search ChatGPT desktop and you'll find the post, which will give you a download link to it, or check the App Store on your Mac depending on what country you're in. Some countries have availability, some countries do not have availability in it. So I've already downloaded the app. Once you've downloaded the app, it's going to look like this. What you'll notice, it's very similar to the mobile app as well. So what OpenAI has done is they've kind of followed a Apple approach where they've made it very similar, very simple to use. So there's not a lot to it. One of the cool things they've added, I'll show you, is a search feature. So if I click in here and go marketing, it'll show up all the posts that have marketing written inside them. Which is very useful because I could find old posts that I wasn't able to find before. So I personally find that to be very, very helpful. Say the other thing as well, let's just go through it. You'll notice up here that there's a few different versions in it. So you can access 3.5, 4, and 4.0. If you're using the free version, you will get access to 4 and then 1 or 4.0, and then once you've run out of credits, it'll automatically convert over to 3.5. There's also which we'll look at in a minute, is the Explore Store, where you're going to be able to see third-party apps. So just to show you, it's very similar, and they've also had a temporary chat feature as well, so that one won't actually remember things. One of the big things now with ChatGPT 4.0 is that it remembers across different conversations. So things that you've had in one conversation, it'll actually remember that into another conversation. So it's almost like before you had to retrain it from start on everything. Now that's not necessarily the case with 4.0. Okay, if you go down here, you'll notice the upload files. You can upload a file, upload photos, take screenshots. It goes right into Notes and Google, etc., and then also take a photo. You'll see the same features in 4, but you will not see these features in 3.5, which were not in 3.5 before, but they were in 4 previously. Next, let's go over and explore the store. So if I'm opening 3.5 and hit Explore, this is interesting because you need to have 4. So you do have DALL-E, you do have access to third parties as well. I'm just going to go to 4.0 to show you this. So when you want to explore, there's 2 different types in here. There's third-party apps, right? So for example, an image generated by third-party, or there are apps that are by ChatGPT, right? So ChatGPT comes with its own slew, including DALL-E, etc. The Creative Writing Coach, I do use it for editing English. So there's a lot of different ones used by ChatGPT. I'm not going to go into the details of this. This video is more to give you an overview. If you do want to see details of it, just comment below and I'll be happy to make a video showing you details on the different apps by ChatGPT. But for the purpose of this video, I want you to install it, start using it, and just have a high-level overview of the third-party apps that you can use. Okay. The coolest feature is down here, or second coolest, or one of the coolest, and then I'll show you the coolest. Is tell me a joke. So something that was in, I don't know why I wrote that, but something that was in the previous version as well is where you can just do voice to text, where it's like, tell me a joke. So voice to text, and then I'll just go in. It will actually do voice to text. And then, um, and then the main feature is it has a lot more emotional. Hi, how are you doing today?
Hi, I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. How about you? How's your day going?
Okay, so now I'm going to have a conversation with ChatGPT, and there's this. They've introduced it in the previous ones, but they've vastly improved how it works. Forget all of that. I'm looking for a productivity hack that can make my
Got
day.
it. What's on your mind today?
I'm looking for a productivity hack. I don't feel very productive. So I want some help on some ways I can be a lot more productive today.
I totally get that. There are some great productivity apps out there that can really help. Have you tried using apps like Todoist, Notion, or Trello? They can.
So you can click the interrupt, which I just did. Not apps, productivity hacks.
Got it. One practical hack is to use the Pomodoro technique, where you work for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. Another is to tackle the hardest task first thing in the morning. Do you have a specific task you're struggling with today?
Yeah, I'm trying to make a YouTube video to show how to use ChatGPT on the desktop, and I'm struggling to share like what's the best features that the desktop version of ChatGPT has to offer.
That sounds like a great video idea. For the desktop version, you could highlight features like the ability to handle larger context windows, the convenience of having ChatGPT integrated into your workflow without switching devices, and the potential for more robust integrations with other desktop apps. Do you have any specific features you want to focus on?
I like what you said. Can you give me a few more advantages?
Sure. Here are a few more advantages of using ChatGPT on the desktop. 1. Customizable settings. You can often tweak the settings more easily on a desktop, adjusting things like response length and conversation history. 2. Multitasking capabilities. Desktops typically have larger screens and more processing power, making it easier to multitask and manage multiple windows or applications simultaneously. 3. Enhanced security. Desktop versions might offer better security features such as more robust encryption and local data storage. 4. Keyboard shortcuts. Using a physical keyboard allows for faster typing and the use of keyboard shortcuts, which can streamline interactions. 5. File handling. Easier file management for uploading and downloading documents, images, and other files during your sessions. These points can help showcase why the desktop version of ChatGPT can be more powerful and convenient for certain users.
Okay, no, thank you very much. That was really helpful. If there are five things a first-time desktop user should know, what would they be?
Of course, here are 5 things a first time desktop user should know about using ChatGPT. 1. User interface. Familiarize yourself with the layout, understand where the input box is, how to access settings, and how to navigate through the menus. 2. Customization options. Explore settings for customizing the experience. Adjust preferences like theme, font size, and notification settings. 3. Shortcuts and commands. Learn basic keyboard shortcuts and commands to enhance efficiency. This includes commands for clearing the chat, exporting conversations, and navigating through responses. 4. Integration capabilities. Check out how ChatGPT can integrate with other desktop applications you use. This could include tools for project management, communication, or note taking. 5. Security features. Understand the security measures in place. Learn how your data is protected and how to manage your personal information and privacy settings. These tips can help new users get the most out of their ChatGPT desktop experience.
Thank you very much. That was very useful. Can you tell me more about these shortcuts, like how I actually use the shortcuts?
Certainly, shortcuts can really speed up your workflow. While the exact shortcuts can depend on the specific version of ChatGPT you're using, here are some common ones. 1. Control Enter. Send your message. Instead of clicking the send button, just press these keys. 2. Control K, quickly clear the conversation window. 3. Control F, search within the conversation. Handy if you need to find specific parts of your previous chats. 4. Arrow up down, navigate through your input history. Use the up arrow to edit your last message or the down arrow to scroll through past messages. 5. Control S, save or export the conversation. This can help you keep a record of important chats. To use these shortcuts, just hold down the Control key or MAD on a Mac and press the corresponding letter key. Give them a try and see which ones make your workflow smoother.
Tell me about third-party apps that I could use. You mentioned that?
Sure. Integrating ChatGPT with third-party apps can significantly boost your productivity. Here are a few examples. 1. Zapier. This automation tool can connect ChatGPT with hundreds of other apps. For example, you can automate tasks like sending a summary of a ChatGPT conversation to Slack or creating a new task in Todoist based on the output from ChatGPT. 2. Slack. You can integrate ChatGPT with Slack to automate responses in your channels or get assistance directly within your workspace. It's great for improving team communication and efficiency. 3. Notion. Using ChatGPT with Notion can help you create, organize, and manage notes and tasks more effectively. You can generate content, draft emails, or create to-do lists directly within Notion. 4. Trello. Integrate ChatGPT with Trello to streamline project management. You can create cards, update lists, and manage your boards based on ChatGPT's outputs. 5. Google Workspace. You can connect ChatGPT with Google Docs or Sheets to draft documents, summarize data, or automate content generation. These integrations allow you to leverage ChatGPT's capabilities within the tools you already use, making your workflow more seamless and efficient.
All right, thank you. That's all.
You're welcome. If you need anything else later, feel free to reach out. Have a great day.
So there you go. Let's go back to here. Yeah, so there you go. You see, actually, ChatGPT just gave us a lot of answers to a lot of different questions on features and how to use it. So another great use of using ChatGPT and AI is it summarizes. And I actually even recently did this. Where I got a new piece of fitness equipment, and the website did not have all the different exercises I could do with it. And I put in ChatGPT, and within like 30 seconds, it spit out about 30 different exercises I could actually do with the equipment, which is pretty awesome in it. So in this video, we have covered how to download and install ChatGPT for the desktop. We've gone through a lot of the features with ChatGPT's help on it. And if you've not joined the AI Marketing Insiders group, join the AI Marketing Insiders group, where the goal is to help business owners save time and money with using AI. And this is just one example of that. And we learn, share, and grow together. So it's a community for everybody to learn and share and grow. I'll include a link in the comment section. Save and like this video.